Morning, children. Let this new year may you be blessed with courage and confidence to spread your wings and turn each day into an adventure of learning and fun. Happy New Year to one and all. So today we'll start with a new lesson. So the name of the lesson is Mountain Ranges Around the World. Mountain ranges is a group or chain of mountains. Mountain ranges are formed when two plates of Earth's outer layer collide and the land buckles and folds. So let's see how mountain ranges are formed. So you can see in the picture how mountains are formed. You can see pictures A, B and C. In the first picture it is shown C. In the second picture it is shown compression into rock. In the third picture you can see fold mountains. So this is the form how mountains are formed. So let's see it. Mountains are formed when the Earth's outer layer collide each other. That is the different two plates of land. When they collide each other, these two plates running into each other, it causes Earth's crust. There is a Earth's crust and it crumple and get folded. Because of that folded and the two plates running into each other, the land gets folded, and this folded we call as mountains. It's a slide movement in the Earth's plates. That is, when the Earth's two plates running into each other, when it moves, it slides in it causes Earth's crust and it gets crumpled and it gets folded, and because of this, formation of mountains occur. When the two plates move up and down, you can see there occur folds in the land, and we call it as a mountains. It can also affect the climate and rainfall of an area. Also, as it is a natural process, they sometimes form a natural border between two countries. So, because of this collide, it can be a border between the two countries. And it is said that over 80% of world's fresh water comes from mountains. So, 80% of fresh water comes from these mountains. So today we will learn some of the famous mountain ranges with their descriptions. Okay, we'll learn some names of the mountain ranges with their description. Let's see the first mountain range, that is Ural Mountains. Ural Mountains are the mountain ranges that runs from north to south through western Russia. And this mountain range forms part of boundary between the continents of Europe and Asia. So Ural Mountains, this range divides the continents of Europe and Asia. And it is also said that these mountain ranges have rich resources like metal, ores, coal and precious and semi-precious stones, and they have contributed to the Russian economy. So this range divides the continents of Europe and Asia. This is the most important. You have to learn that is Ural Mountains. It is the range that divides the continents of Europe and Asia. Now we will see the next mountain range, that is Andes Mountain Range. The Andes Mountain Range, it is the longest continental mountain range in the world. So it is said that it is the longest continental mountain range in the world, and this range runs along the entire west coast of South America. So where it is in the range runs along the entire west coast of South America. So it is in South America, and it is the longest above-land mountain range, and it is called as the longest above-land mountain range. The Andes mountain range, it is created over 50 million years ago in South America. It was created over 50 million years ago in South America. And it is a collection of many mountains. It is a collection of many mountains and which is joined together. And it is also said that in this Andes mountain range, most of the peaks are volcanic. So mostly volcanoes occur at these mountain ranges. The next mountain range we are going to see is the Himalayas mountain range. I think this is a very familiar mountain for us as it is in the Asian continent. It is the highest Mount Everest at the border between Nepal and China. And the Himalayan mountain range spreads across 5 countries, that is in Bhutan, China, India, Nepal and Pakistan. So the Himalayan mountain range in Asia, it is the highest in the world, and it is also said that 14 of the world's highest mountains, that is 14 world's highest mountain, that is located in Himalayas, that is located in Himalayan mountain ranges. So it is the highest mountain range in the world. Now let's see the next mountain, that is Rocky Mountains. We'll see about the Rocky Mountain ranges. Rocky Mountain ranges, it is also known as the Rockies. It is in the western north part of North America. It is in the western part of North America. It is also called as the Rockies. These Rocky Mountains are formed 80 million to 55 million years ago. It was formed 80 million to 55 million years ago. So the Rocky Mountains, it is a range along the western part of North America. It is also called the Rockies. And it has also many national parks. It has also many national parks. Rocky Mountains has also a museum collections. And this mountain, it is one of country's top wildlife watching destination. That is, mostly people visit in Rocky Mountains during the summer winter holds because it is a wildlife parks. Now let's see the next mountain range, that is Alps mountain range. So this Alps mountain range, this range covers many European countries. So Alps mountain range, it is a small segment of discontinuous mountain chain that it stretches from Atlas Mountains of North Africa across southern Europe and Asia to beyond the Himalayas. And now many world famous alpine resorts for skiing and mountaineering are located here. So in most regions of these Alps from December to April, winter sports like skiing, snowboarding, snowshoeing are extremely popular here. The Alps are now the most popular tourist destination in Europe. So this it is located, it covers many European countries, and it is also a world famous alpine resorts, that is for skiing, for snowshoeing, snowboarding. So it is also a tourist place. Now we'll see the next mountain range, that is the Atlas mountain range. We'll see about Atlas mountain range. The Atlas mountain range, it is a range in northwestern Africa named after one of the Greek gods of great strength. It is named after one of the Greek gods of great strength. And it separates the Mediterranean and Atlantic coastlines from the Sahara Desert. And the Atlas Mountains, it is inhabited by a Berber populations. And these mountains are also a home to number of animals and planets which are mostly found within Africa, but some of which can be also found in Europe. So the Atlas mountain, it is a range in northwestern Africa. It is named after one of the Greek gods, great strength. In Atlas Mountains, there is a primarily it has inhabited populations lives there, and Atlas Mountains are also a home for a number of animals and plants. Now you'll see the next mountain range, that is the Pyrenees mountain range. That is Pyrenees mountain range. The Pyrenees mountain range, it is located in the range forms, that is from natural border between France and Spain. So this range forms the natural border between France and Spain. And this mountain range stretches from the shores of Mediterranean Sea on the east to the Bay of Biscay on the Atlantic Ocean on the west. And because of the geographical situation of the chain, the Pyrenees have been divided into three natural regions, that is the Eastern or Mediterranean Pyrenees, the Central Pyrenees and the Western Pyrenees. So it is divided into three. The different vegetation and the division of the people, certain ethnic and cultural distinctions appear to confirm these classifications because of the people's ethnic and cultural distinctions. It has divided into three natural regions. So this is a range that forms the natural border between France and Spain. Now we will see the last mountain range, that is the Arctic Cordillera. That is Arctic Cordillera. So the Arctic Cordillera range, it is located in northern part of Canada, that is within the archipelago, and the term Cordillera, it refers to an extensive chain of mountains. So it is referring to an extensive chain of mountains. And here the landscape, it is covered with massive polar ice fields. So here in this mountain range, the polar bears, it is survived here in the coastal hills and valleys. It is said that even the plants or vegetations, it is very hard to grow in this place. So this range, Arctic Cordillera, it is a mountain range located in northern part of Canada within archipelago. So I think so you have understood all the some few names of the mountain ranges. Now let's see the exercise part. So you can see in the exercise part, a description of mountain ranges are given and help box is there. So according to the description, we have to find out the mountain ranges. So see the first one. This range divides the continents of Europe and Asia. So we have learned in the first one that it divides the continents of Europe and Asia, that is the Urals mountain. So you can write the answer Urals. Now see the second one. This range runs along the entire west coast of South America. It is the longest above-land mountain ranges. So we have already learned about this range, that is it is along the west coast of South America, that is the Andes Mountains. So you can write there Andes Mountains. Now see the third question, that is this range in Asia is the highest in the world and it is the 14 of the world's highest mountains are located in it. As it is in Asian continent, very familiar mountain range. So the answer of this mountain range, it is the Himalayas mountain range. So you can write third one, Himalayas mountain range. Now see the fourth one. This range along the western part of North America, it is also called the Rockies. That is, it is also called as Rockies. The Rockies, it has many national parks. There are many wild national parks in this mountain range. So we have studied about the Rocky Mountain. It is also called as Rockies. So you can write fourth one, the Rocky Mountains. Now see the fifth one. This range covers many European countries. Many world famous alpine resorts for skiing, mountaineering are located here. So in this mountain range, it covers many European countries. Also there are resorts that are located for skiing, that is for snowshoeing. Such type of sports are taken place there. So that is Alps, that is called as Alps mountain range. So you can write fifth one, Alps. Now see the sixth one. This is a range in northwestern Africa named after one of the Greek gods of great strength. So it is located in northwestern Africa. So this range, it is called as Atlas mountain range. So you can write Atlas. Now see the seventh one. This range forms the natural border between France and Spain. So it becomes a natural border between France and Spain, that is the Pyrenees mountain range. So you can write seventh one, Pyrenees. Now see the eighth one. This range is located in the northern part of Canada within the archipelago. So this range, it is located in northern part of Canada. That is the last one we have studied about the Arctic Cordillera. So you can write eighth one as the Arctic Cordillera mountain range. Okay, now we will see the next part. So in the next part, the Indian mountain ranges names are given. So we have to complete the names and write the full names in the blanks. So you can see in the first one, it's given VIN, we have to match first one. So the first one, it goes to C, that is VINDHYAAS, that is Vindhyas. So you can write first one Vindhyas. See the now second one, NIL, it is given. So it is going to match with E, that is Nilgiris. So it is a Nilgiris mountain range. So you can complete it. See the third one, ARA. So it is given ARA. So it is getting matched with A, that is VALLI, that is Aravalli mountain range. Now see the fourth one, HIM. It is very easy one, and it is matching with B, that is ALAYAS, that is Himalayas mountain range. So you can write fourth one Himalayas. See the fifth one, it is also very familiar one, that is WES, and we have to match with F, that is Western Ghats. It is a Western Ghats mountain range. See the sixth one, that is SAT. So the remaining is D, that is PURA, that is Satpura. So you can write sixth one Satpura. First one is Vindhya, second one Nilgiris, third one it is Aravalli, fourth one Himalayas, fifth one Western Ghats, and last is the Satpura. So children, I think so you have understood a few mountain ranges name. So go through it, learn this mountain ranges, name of the mountain ranges. So that's it for today. Thank you.